segment still on the usage of the miracle leaf. This is the second segment of it. These miracle leaves, as I've told you, is from Odu, Iwori Meji, Iwori Meji, Ejikoko, Ejiwori. So as I've said that every plant, every tree is from an Odu Ifa. So today, when you have an herbalist using one leaf or the other, these are all from Ifa. Even the Orthodox, the pharmacist using herbs or whatever is from Ifa. Ifa have been able to make us understand when you are conversant with the Odu of Ifa from Ogbe Meji to Ofu Ose Meji, which is the last Odu in the hierarchy of 256 Odus. In every Odu has what I call 16 verses. 16 verses. 16 verses in each Odu. There are parables, there are proverbs, there are prayers, there are ebos, there are taboos. So what I want the world of viewers to understand is that it doesn't really matter age. That is why I will also at any given time respect our forefathers, our elders who have trade on this path I am today. I salute you all. For those who have joined our ancestors, I salute you all for making it possible for me to also follow the same train that I'm passing through today. What am I trying to make you to understand is that Oromila is a gift. There is a gifted hand. There are some of us who will ask a question, how can you be initiated and you know that you are this and you are, or you know, it's very easy. As we always say, through your dreams, do your dealings. Even you can even be at your sleep, you are sleeping, you see yourself in a baga farm. You start picking baga, edi, swaredi, pedi. You should understand that you are a child of Ifa. You get it? So at times now you see yourself sitting with kings, Oba, sitting with kings, Oba. You should also understand that it's an Ifa, these are the qualities. Then you start hearing. You start hearing. Like some of these lists I'm using now, I've been giving that gift through dreams, through when I'm sleeping. Most of these things I'm doing through sleeping, and I am born a prophet. I am a reincarnated. That is why that Odu Obara-Eka, if you look at that, it's a reincarnation. So, for you to see a young star, it doesn't really matter that I must be 150 or 130 before I become an Oluwo or what. No. As I said, I have spent 33 years in practice. And I've been gifted. So the first thing I'm giving to the world at large is these recipes I'm doing today. And I want everyone to be involved so that you can use it to help yourself. If you look at this miracle leaf, for those that have ulcer, you have ulcer, you always feel of ulcer. Ulcer means a sore in your stomach. What you need is 7 of this leaf. And 7 speaks of perfection. After taking 7 of this leaf, wash it because of hygiene. That's why you have to wash it for cleaning. Then you don't put the 7 together and you now buy groundnut. Isawe. So as you take it, you eat the 7 leaves together. As you are chewing it, you now add groundnut to it. You have to eat it. Start eating it. But it's very good first thing in the morning for those that have ulcer. This can treat an ulcer. That's why I said Ifa is a science. When you use this for ulcer with that groundnut, it works for ulcer perfectly. You see that Ifa is a science. Ifa is discovery. You understand that? So when people start asking questions, Ifa Ifa is a mathematics, yes. Whatever thing that was created here on earth, it was in the witness of Ifa. That is why I call Ifa Ileru Ipin Adibo Isakberu, meaning God all witnessed in creation. So what am I trying to make the viewers to understand is this. When you are passing through difficult things in life, and you are unable to identify that the reason or how to go about that solution, initiation to Ifa is very important. You don't try, you don't do this one, you don't try. You have done this, something is not improving your life. Circumstances are not challenges. That is why initiation is very important. There are some people you ask me that, why must you be initiated? Yes, it is when you have tried, no effort, the last bus stop is for your initiation. Once you are being initiated, you will now understand the taboo, the type of prayer, the type of food, the type of woman, whatever thing that surrounds you, so that you now know how to go about your life. When you are able to know on how to go about your life, I tell you, whatever thing you do in life, it will be successful. The type of traits, that is your perfection. The type of name, these are what Ifa is all talking about. The type of food you need to eat. So if you look at it now, this recipe now, using several of this and groundnut together, you eat it, it treats ulcer. There are some of our babies today now, if you look at it now, they have cough. If you take this recipe, by mashing it with, by hotting it with fire, you will not squeeze the water out. With Oreo, that is shea butter, you mix it together, add a little salt to it. If you give it to a child, our kids, and they take it, it can treat their cough. For some of our kids that are not breathing well because of the weather, this can as well treat their cold or cough. So if you look at this now, we have been able to take this leaf out of Iwori Meji, as I said. It was the one that used this leaf, which is the Mirokaroko leaf we are talking about now. If you look at it now, it's the Iwori Meji. What was the context? Their context was that Ogbe and Iwori and Oyeku were not contesting of popularity and seniority. Remember, Iwori Meji was the senior in heaven before they came down to earth. But Ogbe Meji came before Iwori, and Oyeku came before Iwori, and they were not dragging with Iwori. And Iwori refused to surrender because he was the senior. So I'm still telling some family today, a family of 3, you are having a 3 child or 3 children. These 3 children at a time, this 3rd child will be, I would say, will be a wonderful child. I don't want to say a stubborn. I will use the word a wonderful child. Now, you will discover that out of these 3 children now, listen attentively. The first child, which is Ogbe, the second child, which is Iyoku, and the 3rd child, which is Iwori. You discover that there are some marriage today, before the woman goes into that hole, she must have a miscarriage. After having a miscarriage, before she will not give birth to the first child, she will not give birth to the second child. You will even be surprised that the child that she miscarried, which was the first one now, will now reincarnate to be the 3rd child. That is Iwori Meji. That is what Iwori Meji is talking about. Iwori Meji is talking about incarnation. It doesn't even matter that you came before me for you to be the senior. But remember, I have been here, but I have to be reincarnated. You see what Iwori is talking about now. So the question is that, when Iwori actually came, the brothers was already there. That is why in the family of 3, the younger one, which is number 3, will always be a tyrant. Will always be a tyrant. We never want to bow down before the truth. You should understand that this child now is a reincarnated child, and this child has been. Even there are some of these children in the number 3, which is Iwori. The one when you get back to them before they 7, they will have showed you and tell you that they must have social sign. Some children may be denied their mother breast. You now discover that this child is just sick, he's not taking breast and all that. He wants you to know. He must give some certain sign. We want you to know the type of person. You can just first say. So a proficient Ifa priest will always tell you what I'm telling you without divination. Just knowing the number of that child in the family. Is it number 3? We say number 3. Very easy. You should understand that this child is Iwori Meji. Now, what you do is for you to acknowledge his presence or our presence. The moment you recognize the presence or acknowledge the presence of Iwori Meji, that sacrifice is done. It's not like a child that is not carrying his mother's breast, and when you now tell that, oh, I don't know you, you are this person, you are not reconnected to be the third, I don't know you. That child can give a sign. Either a baby can be smiling their son, they will just be at you. They will just we are you. He has spoken that you have gotten it right. Whatever thing that is only that child will just be that child at that particular time because you have recognized or acknowledged the presence of that child. That is religion. So, my viewers, as I've told you, it is this year 2024, after my long years in practice, that Olodumare has given me the key to tell the world who is Ifa. I'm prepared to assist you so that you can have a better life. For further questions or details on how to reach my contact, if you have one challenges or the other, my phone number is 080 567 43599 and my WhatsApp number is 070 311 54906. Please, I don't discuss with people on Facebook because we need to be very careful with the system of today. I don't discuss. I don't have any conversation with anybody. You can only see my post in Facebook. Comment. If you have any question to ask me, I will always send you my WhatsApp number or my phone number. We must discuss one-on-one. For you to understand that you are talking to Apostle Elder FESTUS, ENOBAKHARE, so that you should be very careful in the internet. Now, what you need to do is for you to relax, because whatever, because there are some people that say, why a list? There are so many questions you are asking. I said, whatever thing that is on earth and is in heaven is Ifa. Whatever question you are asking is Ifa. Mathematics is inside there. Literature is inside there. Leaves is inside there. Money is inside there. If I say choose money, make money your friend, not your enemy. Spouse, children, houses. If you look at these houses we are building today now, have you seen Ant E? Ant E is a mansion built by the ants, by the creation and the authority of what Olodumare. And if you look at the first building that was being given through Meji, which the ant E was transformed, those ants with their ants transformed this mother earth into a ant E. That was how human being got the knowledge of making a house or a tent. So as I've told you, today you can use this recipe. You can use it to treat your ulcer. Ulcer with at least just 5 or 50 naira or 100 naira groundnut with 7 pieces of this can treat your ulcer. It can as well treat cough. And this is the area of the belly sea of which I'm talking about. The Iwori Meji. But what I'm talking about Iwori Meji is the usefulness of this leaf in that Odu. I'm not telling you, giving the detail because I've told you, in Odu, Iwori Meji has 16 verses, 16 stories and proverbs. If you look at it now, it's very wide. What I'm just giving you is the preamble, the preliminary of it, the usage of this leaf, because this leaf happened to fall from that Odu. That is why I'm referring to that Odu Iwori Meji to us. So as you do that, I believe, as you try it, I believe you are going to have a sound mind, you are going to have a sound condition, and you will be very well and strong in the mighty name of Olodumare.